what we intend to do with geofencing and what we're starting is a plumber in your market walks into a plumbing supply house that we've geofenced. The minute they walk in, we've got them. We've got their mobile advertising ID. It's obviously anonymous, but that is served up to us as a potential customer that we're going to serve ads to from that point forward. And the ads that we're serving on their phone, which then you leave that plumbing supply house with your phone, you go home and your phone talks to every other internet connected device in your home, right? So your computer, your tablet, your kid's tablet, they're all communicating with one another. And now we've got a sort of like a demographic that we can target with ads. And we're specifically, again, targeting this, hey, plumbers, you can earn this. We can provide you with this. And they're simple display ads that you see on every mobile website, every mobile app, every desktop site. And then we have the potential to serve up TV commercials through any internet connected TV. So services like Roku, Sling, Freevee, Pluto, any of those free or low cost streaming services, those are connected TV services. We can run 30-second commercials there. So we've got one client that's produced the video, one that's shooting one next week, and a third non-restoration client that's going to be shooting one soon. We're actually going to help produce that for him, kind of as a test case. And we're going to get into TV advertising.